Hello and welcome to Caravan Salon Düsseldorf 2021. This is the 2022 range of camper cars, that's what I want to call them, from Campstar Campster. And I think we can start off actually by looking at this one here. So this is Campstar on a Citroen basis, and it's a Space Tourer Feel 48,244 for this car. And I say the word deliberately. Let's have a look what it looks like inside. Well, come up here, and so we've got a tent in the roof, which we can pull down using this thing up here, which I won't pull down now. And got a chair at the back. Well, and what could this be in here? Oh, it's got a fridge. Right, so this has a bit of cabinetry. It's got a chair that converts to a bed. Well, that's quite a nice, can't complain at the size of that wardrobe there. My VW had one of these, exactly the same it looks. So it hasn't actually improved since 1992. And, right, ISOFIX. And you've got these sort of deep railway line things here, maybe the tram lines. And that is for the chair or any other things you might want to sort of place in here to make it, I don't know, to make it campingable. Right, let's go on to the next one. So this one's a more interesting colour, at least. So here in this modular approach, we have now got a sink and a cooker. Let's have a look at the back. Well, this is a bit more like it. Let's have a look at the price of this one. This thing's going to cost 56,092. Right, okay. Oh, right, so hey, we're really advancing in the camping field now. So what have we got up here? There's your cooker. What could this be in here? Oh, got some water. And USB. Drawers. Ah ha ha. This is really getting more like it, he said sarcastically. And 5 places, tent up there, and let's have a look at the price. 45,000 euros. Oh well. Now I'll have a look at these Mercedes cars, and I didn't notice it said from 38,000 for a Mercedes car. This Mercedes car is going to cost 72,000, right? And so Mercedes V-Class, 504 centimeters in length. Oh right, so that type of money you'd expect. You might expect something, but you're not going to get it. It's got a kitchen that comes out of the vehicle, so that's the modular approach with which you put on these tram lines down here. I mean, it's a Mercedes, and it looks pretty good. I used to drive around in a Mercedes, mind you, mine was a 190D, but that wasn't such a good shape as this one. It was a bit shorter, but and it's a bit narrower, I think. And anyway, so this easy move kitchen sort of comes in and out, and if you want to see it come in and out, you have to ask the stand personnel. That is quite nice, plenty of space there between the hobs for a bathroom. That's a great sink. I'm not so certain it's a great sink for washing stuff up in though. And if you're washing your hands, it's super. So, and this will move in and out. Presumably, where's the gas? I'll tell you where the gas. Oh, that's broken already. Oh, that was about to break, and there's the gas, and there's the water. Right, well, this must be for really strong people, or they've got some super system for getting it in and out of the van. And I think they've got a super system, because you can see it's attached to this here, and what you do is you lift it up and in, and then turn it around, I think. I did see a film actually with this demonstrated how it actually goes in. Right, let's have a look at another car. This one here, this Mercedes Vito. I can't call it a Mercedes Vito, a V-Class, sorry. A Vito Tourer Pro. Oh, what that means? So that's for people who are pro tourers. This costs €60,000, 60,000 euros, and 514 centimeters long. And this one distinguishes itself by having some more tram lines in it. There's another one of these easy kitchens, and as well as the easy kitchen, we're getting, what's in here? Oh, getting the fridge as well. So, right. Okay, let's go to the next one. Vanstar. Ah, this is a bit more like it. This one's got a toilet in it. So we'll get a price on this if we can. Oh, what's happened here? I've lost control of my gimbal. So this says from 38,000. Note the word from, and let's walk around. So it said from, but the real price is 49,500 for this car. Okay, well, you got a porta potty here. So you got the toilet I mentioned earlier. That's the mattress with you. You put the chairs down and you put the mattress on top of it. Whoops. Oh dear, I've lost control of the mattress. Right, okay. And there's your cooker. There's your water. Anyway, no one's come over to complain yet about me breaking the bed. Let's see where it went to. So that happened because the chairs have come to the front. Right, okay. Let's now have a look at the last car here. Oh, this one comes with a bike. This also says from 38,000. Don't know how much these Mercedes cars cost new without any of this stuff in, and it has got a tent in the roof as well. I mean, a tent in the roof, that's easily 4,000 euros without anything else in. This one here is going to cost 62,329, so presumably that 38,000 doesn't include the tent in the roof. Probably none of this pseudo camping equipment. And right, that's what it looks like in here. So you've got a bike, space for the bike, you take the wheel off. I mean, my Mercedes 190D had a place for the bike if I took the wheel off as well. And got all these seats inside and a tent in the roof. Right, so what do I think? I think this. If you're buying it because you need a car, that's great. If you're buying it to go camping in, I think you're going to be selling it pretty quickly. You know what? It's the same company anyway, so I'm not doing them any disfavours. Get something like that. Get a Summit there, one of these Citroens or Fiat Ducato base. It's gonna cost the same. You're gonna have a toilet. You're gonna have a kitchen. You're gonna have the works. Okay, this isn't very high. It's under 2 meters in height. So that has these benefits. But yeah, it depends. Maybe you need something which is 514 centimeters, because the smallest Fiat Ducato you're going to get is 541. But there you have it. That's my opinion, and this is me in Düsseldorf showing you this Mercedes with a tent. Car with a tent in the roof. Thanks for watching. I hope you found that interesting.